guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You can probably tell I'm at a different place today. I'm actually filming from my parents' house because I wanted to tell you all about the brand new early Christmas gift I got from my parents, the WELLFIT home gym treadmill. So my parents actually recently moved to a new house and they were trying to think about what is the best way to stay active at home, and I thought that this treadmill was actually the perfect starting piece for a home gym for them. The treadmill offers an auto incline, it has a higher than average max speed of 8.7 miles per hour, and most importantly, the treadmill is extremely user-friendly. It's really easy to use, easy to set up, easy to move around, the perfect fit for seniors 60 plus.
The setup process for this treadmill is very simple. It ships in this package and comes 95% pre-assembled right out of the box. Here's the treadmill all set up. As you can see, it's pretty compact. It's a great size for the home, but also robust enough to be your go-to home gym equipment. It has a really well thought out and sleek design, featuring a 3.5 horsepower motor and an impressive max weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. A great feature of the machine is that it's foldable if you're working with a smaller space, and to unfold, the Easy Lift Assist technology allows you to release the gas shock with your foot for a safe and simple unfolding of the treadmill pad. The machine is also mobile. From a folded position, the transportation wheels on the bottom allow anyone to move the treadmill freely. As long as you can lift 30 pounds, you can move this treadmill.
In terms of actual usability of this treadmill, I kind of mentioned these features at the beginning of the video, but I'll say them again because I do think they are really unique. Despite the fact that this treadmill is really compact and mobile, it has two really great features. One, it goes up to 15% in an auto incline, and two, it goes up to 8.7 miles per hour speed. In all of my experience, it's been really hard to find a treadmill as small, compact, and mobile as this one that offers both of these features, so I think that makes the WELLFIT treadmill really unique. But anyways, that is enough of me just talking about this treadmill. Let's actually test it out.
Alright, so here I am ramping up to max speed at 8.7 miles per hour with no incline. When I increase the incline, the quiet drive technology makes it so that there's no unnecessary noise and you can see just how smooth the auto incline itself is. So as you can see, I'm running pretty fast here, but the treadmill is very safe because of the safety clip feature. When it's pulled, it'll come to an automatic stop. And here I am on an incline walk. It's at the max 15 incline setting, and I've actually made this workout even more intense by removing the back wheels. Now the incline is even higher so that I can burn more calories in this workout. Here's what you'll be seeing when you're using the treadmill. You have your handy LED display for all of your workout metrics, your control buttons and preset speed and incline settings, and handy cubbies for your workout items. On the handles, you'll also see easy access buttons to adjust incline on the left and speed on the right, along with sensors for monitoring heart rate. There's even a water bottle holder too. You can get the most out of your workout if you use the WELLFIT app, which allows you to track your workouts, access many options for virtual running maps, and even activate your workout with AI voice feature.
Start treadmill at speed 2.
The treadmill is also compatible with Zwift and KinoMap, other options for tracking your workout.
At the end of the day, no matter how much I like this treadmill, I have to remember it is for my parents. So if you've made it this far into this video, you'll see a never before seen cameo appearance right now of my dad using this treadmill. How does it feel?
Feels really good.
All in all, I really do think this WELLFIT treadmill is the perfect starting piece for my parents' home gym. They love it, I love it, everybody's happy. And what's even better is that we can all have the peace of mind of having a 24-month guarantee and lifetime technical support from WELLFIT. And you know, hopefully I've inspired you all to start thinking about gifts for your friends, family, maybe even yourself. It's actually great timing because if you purchase this treadmill now, you'll have a chance to win a free bonus from WELLFIT's Christmas promotion. All you have to do is, once you've purchased and received the WELLFIT treadmill, register on the WELLFIT app, and starting from the end of November, you'll get an event announcement for this promotion. So if you've liked what you've seen and what you've heard and you want to take advantage of the Christmas promotion, be sure to check out the WELLFIT treadmill. It is linked in the description down below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any more questions about this treadmill, let me know. Drop me a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer it. Otherwise, I will see you all next time.